Samsung Galaxy S22 won't be getting any under-display selfie camera. Also in the leaks, we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon information has been released, which is going to be present in the Galaxy S22 series. And finally, there are rumors that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 can be up to 20% cheaper. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. The Galaxy S22 series are rumored to be offering a number of camera improvements over its predecessor and under-display selfie camera, and it is expected that it might be coming with the under-display panel. However, according to most recent rumors coming from South Korea, Samsung will be skipping the under-display cameras on the Galaxy S22 after all. Inside sources claim that the quality and the issues that are keeping Samsung from using this tech on their S22 model. Additionally, a mosaic pattern of the OLED panels appear in the certain situation, which is going to be quite annoying. Be only visible when you have a white background. But I honestly think that this is not going to be pretty good because we have a circular dot always present on the top of the device, so this is going to be ridiculous. In the end, Samsung has decided to implement under-display cameras on its Galaxy Note models and the Z Fold 3 this year, since the latter has the option to use its back cameras for capturing selfies. So inferior under-display camera quality is not be a such big issue and will allow Samsung to deliver an under-rated display. Anyhow, which means that this device is going to be coming with absolutely great efficiency. Also the Adreno, also there are a bunch of other improvements which are coming, like ISP improvement. We have an updated Adreno processor. Also we have the new Exynos. Also, we have the new X65 chipset modem, which is going to be supported by 5G, and it's going to be one of the fastest 5G chipset ever built for any device. All in all, this processor is going to be a great all in all, this is going to be a great processor in which it will give a direct competition to the Samsung Exynos 2200. Talking about the Exynos 2200, well, basically that particular machine is going to be also coming with a 4nm processor according to the latest leak, and previously it was known that it might be coming with a 5nm of a processor, but the latest leak has confirmed that we might not see that is going to be happening. 4nm is going to be coming. Also we have the Adreno, also we have the Radeon GPU inside, which means that this is going to be absolutely great in terms of GPU. Anyhow, fingers are crossed right now. We have to wait and see what these two processors are going to be coming which these two processors going to. And the final leak is that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 can be up to 20% cheaper. As you guys already know that Samsung foldable devices are one of the expensive ones right now. It may cost you around $2,000, but according to latest leak that has been derived on Twitter, gives us a detail that the next generation of Z Fold 3 might be coming with a starting price of $1,600. Also, and whereas the Z Flip 3 might be coming with a price tag of $1,300. So basically this is going to be a 20% cheaper devices if rumor is to be true. So guys, I'm pretty much excited about the Galaxy S22 processor, the Snapdragon 895, which is going to be coming with a bunch of improvements. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.